Right, hi, good day everyone. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafiedzul Fahmy. So I'll introduce a bit about myself. I am 22 years old and I'm from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I graduated successfully for my diploma in aviation management at University College of Aviation Malaysia. And now I'm currently pursuing my study in bachelor degree in airline and airport management at Buckinghamshire New University. I recently applied for the human resource officer position in a company named Malaysia Airline. The reason why I applied for this job is because I studied about the management field during my diploma years, as well as in my current degree level, which means I learned all the subjects required and related in human resource. And furthermore, I used to work in Malaysia Airline engineering complex as a supervisor in aircraft appearance and cabin maintenance. So I was exposed with the working environment as well as its culture in Malaysia Airlines office, as well as in the maintenance area. As I read through the job description of this position, which is human resource, I think it is the best opportunity for me to sharpen my skill as well as gaining new experience in human resource department, which I can practice my skills that I gained during my months of working as the supervisor in Malaysia Airlines Engineering Complex. So there are many interesting facts regarding this company, Malaysia Airlines, which I'll explain only three, the most interesting facts. The first one is Malaysia Airlines is the national or flag carrier of Malaysia, offering the best way to fly to, from, and around Malaysia. It carries around 40,000 passengers daily, and that airline's hub is in Kuala Lumpur International Airport, which is the busiest airport in Malaysia. So the next fact is Malaysia Airlines is known for its diverse richness. So the airline company embodies the incredible diversity of Malaysia, capturing its rich traditions, cultures, cuisines, and also hospitality on board, while opening up more of Malaysia's destination than any other airline. So the last fact is Malaysia Airlines owned several subsidiaries. The company and its subsidiaries are part of Malaysia Aviation Group. It is a group of a global aviation group with subsidiaries and equity investments organized into four distinct business segments, which is air transportation and ground services, aircraft leasing, and talent development. So its four major subsidiaries are Firefly, Mas Cargo, Mas Wings, and also Aerodarat. So with these facts that I mentioned just now, Malaysia Airlines is the best airline company for me to learn something new regarding the operation, the airline industry. So human resource officer requires several important skills, which I believe that I got some skills that are suitable for this position. I am able to form working relationships with any people at all levels. As I mentioned about my experience working as the supervisor, I learned how to work with many type of people and levels. For example, like I will receive instructions from the manager or head of department regarding some task that needs to be done. And I'll pass the instruction to the other staff for them to do it because it is their job. My job is to make sure that they work by following procedures as well as using the equipment safely. Sometimes I volunteer myself to join the staffs during their work because I believe that teamwork will make the task finish quickly. And I am also good at communication, where I used to get involved in department meetings. And sometimes I propose my own ideas, which somehow helped the operations in the department. And lastly, I always train and guiding new staffs during their first day of working. And I will monitor their performance for the next couple of days or next couple of months to guide them. This is because training is one of the responsibilities of HR, human resource officer. So I'll make sure that I use my experience at optimum level. So when working in a team, I consider myself as a team leader because I love to guide and help people to achieve their goals. During my diploma, I got elected to be a president of a music club in my college for 3 months. This is because I have the knowledge, the basic knowledge in music and wide knowledge also, as well as the other team members of the club were comfortable working with me as I guided them and taught them things that they are lack of. And I also able to accept any critiques and complaints, and I will improve them to be better in future. So in addition, during my working days as the supervisors, I always have to lead a group of staffs in doing their task, and I have to monitor them. And they somehow relied on my ability to solve problems, as well as listening to my instruction to get things done correctly. So I know that there are so many people applied for this position, HR officer. So let me convince you why it should be offered to me. I am a very disciplined person. Once I understand about our goals, the company goals, I will make sure that everyone is working towards the goals. I also love to work in diverse workplace. I have the tolerance with other cultures, religions, races, and also beliefs. And I don't like to discriminate people. Yes, I will make sure everyone will be treated equally. And because for me, everyone in every position in an organization is important. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.